You'll never buy a descaler again. This trick costs less than a quarter. Over time, your kettle builds up mineral deposits that get thicker with every boil, and eventually end up in what you drink. Luckily, you can remove them without scrubbing, chemicals, or effort. Just add 2 tablespoons of baking soda, pour in some vinegar, and fill the rest with water. Bring it to a boil, then pour the mixture into a bowl. The cloudy water means all the buildup has come off the walls of the kettle. Now, for step 2, peel a potato and put the peels in the kettle with plenty of water. The starch in the peels helps pull out the remaining residue and neutralizes the vinegar smell. Boil again and pour it out. Dip a cloth in that water and wipe the kettle. It works like a natural degreaser and removes film. Finally, boil clean water twice to rinse completely. Do this regularly, especially if your tap water is hard. A simple trick that saves money, time, and frustration, and works better than most store-bought cleaners.